Well, hi there. I'm going to teach y'all today how to make a cheese toastie, as they call it in New Zealand, otherwise known as a grilled cheese here in Alabama. Let's get started. First of all, you're going to want to put your skillet down on the eye right there. And then you're going to want to turn that shit up all the way to fucking high. Okay? And then you're going to want to wait for it to heat up all the way till it's really hot. Okay? You're going to want to put your hand over it. Make sure it's hot before you start using it. Okay? So we're going to wait for it to heat up. We'll be right back. Alright, so that seems good and heated up now. So what you're going to do next is you're going to turn it down to about 7, okay? Everyone's stove is different. Mine, you're going to want to do it like this, okay? This is how you're going to want to do it. Maybe a little bit below 7. I don't really know. But about right there. So now, let's get started on the bread. Alright, so now that we're here, we got the bread set up, ready to go. Now what we're going to use for the butter, is some spray butter right here. You see it? Can't believe it's not butter. So you take that spray butter there, and you spray it. Spray the bread. It's hard to show with one hand like this. Something like this. Be right back. Alright, so we're back now. Got the bread all buttered up. And it's time to move over to the grill. So, I'm going to go sit down right here. And let's cook some cheese toasties. Now, going to plop that down on there. Put the cheese on top like that. Grab the other one. Put it right up on top like that there. Get your spatula. Move it around a little bit so it don't stick to the pan. And we're just going to wait for it until it stops crackling now. We'll be right back. Alright, so it sounds like it stopped crackling. Let's go ahead and flip it over now. That looks pretty good. Could probably cook it for a little bit longer on that side, maybe. If you want it to be a little more toasty. But about like this, keep on cooking the sides until you're done. And I'll show you the finished product. Alright now, so this is about how I want it. Flip it over. See, looks pretty good. So we're going to put that right there on the plate. And we're ready to eat. Hope y'all enjoyed my cheese toastie tutorial. Y'all have a great day now.